everyone, welcome back to Oman Manis World. I'm your host Manu and we're doing a beauty haul, and yes, and this is the first thing we have in there. Wait, I know I'm doing such a fast intro, but just wait and watch. So this is the first thing we have. I already cut it, and this is what I'm going to show you. And it's... Just kidding, guys! There's nothing in here. Just kidding. And now, I'm going to give you the actual intro. Just keep that aside. So, hi everyone! Welcome back to Oman Manis World. Here, I'm your host, Manu. And yes, if you have not yet, press the subscribe and turn on the bell notifications to get notified about each new videos. And if you subscribe, it really motivates us to create more and more and more and more videos. So yes, let's start. So yes, we're going a little different. First, we're gonna go like this, this, and this. So yeah, these are all jewelry that comes under the category of beauty. These are all jewelry that comes under the category of beauty. Really easy to remember. So let's start. So let's go from top to bottom. I know I'm really energetic today. Yes, because we're really motivated because thanks to our subscribers, we have finally crossed 20,000 subscribers. That's it for the subscribers info. So yes, once again, just subscribe because it really motivates us and we get a feel to create more and more videos for you. So yes, I've bought all these jewelry from Amazon like this. And yes, if you want, the link is in the bio below. So if you're interested, do check it out. And yes, these are one of the things which I really liked from Amazon jewelry. So yes, I wanted to share with you guys these beautiful jewelry that I bought from Amazon, obviously. So before we start, I want to just tell you that if you have not seen my Amazon haul videos, then do check them out, because I've already made almost like 6 fashion haul, Amazon haul videos, not fashion but Amazon haul videos. So do check them out if you did not till now. So yes, now let's get into the unboxing. So first, out of all our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items is this. I'm not gonna tell you because it's really awesome. We've got this nice box. I remember having them. Once you remove that, here you have another few set of contents. Like we have some bubble wrap. Put this aside. We have some bubble wrap. Once we finish with the bubble wrap, and these are giant bubbles. Wow, much funner to pop. So yes, this is the next thing. So these are bangles. Yes, bangles. I didn't tell you from all this time. These are very beautiful bangles for women and kids, and there are 4 main colors. So yes, these bangles are for kids, especially girls. So yeah, so there are 4 main colors in here. One is red and the other is dark blue. Another is green. I really love these bangles, and yeah, because they fit to me. Yeah. And once more, the links are in the description below. So yeah, so I'm gonna showcase you these bangles. You can see I remember some traditional dances and types like this. So yeah, the bangle looks very awesome with these 4 colors. So yes, I'm removing them off because we have a lot more jewelry. So the next one is a pearl necklace set of necklace with earrings. It's really good. And yeah, so let's open it. It's quite interesting to open them. Okay. Wow. So inside here we got a Ziploc bag, a transparent Ziploc, inside here we have another cover. I love this kind of. So yes, you can see the earring over here, only one. I'm going to show you both. Okay, so from the back I'm opening it, and so first let's look at this necklace. Wow, as I told you at first, this I really loved because it said it had pearls. And yes, so if you guys are looking for some awesome jewelry, I really love this. So here is it. Isn't it awesome? And this is how it looks on me. Can you see that? This necklace, pearl necklace, suits me well, and this will go better. And since this is traditional, it will go well with traditional dresses. Like this is a western dress. But anyways, I really love this necklace. And yes, so we should not forget the earrings. I really love earrings. Okay, I even have ear holes, but yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna remove them from the pack. Whoa, look at these earrings. They're so small and awesome. They're like, you know, like a diya. They're so beautiful, and I really love traditional stuff, and this is so beautiful, and it even reflects my image in them. Wow. So yes, so this is a small look, and if I were wearing this, how would I look? As you can see, I would look really awesome with these on. So yeah, I'll definitely wear this for some festivals. And that's done for the pearl necklace box. Okay. So next, I bought 2 kadas from Amazon. You can see them. 2 from the same company. And yeah, one is this one, that is the flower one. Okay. Wow, let's remove this bubble wrap. Wow, whoa, so much bubble wrap. Okay, so on the back, from the back, you're going to remove it. And yeah, once you are done removing it, you find this beautiful flower with red, green and gold sequins. And this perfectly suits me. So I love this pink and green color combination so much, because those are the 2 traditional colors, okay, which all the gods have anyways. And yeah, you can see it's so beautiful. And if your wrist is bigger than this, the good part in here is that, so yes, you can remove it from a slot like that, and you can put it back. All you're supposed to do is you're going to keep that inside, and it automatically sets itself. So this was the flower kada which I have bought. So yes, now let's look at the other kada which I have bought from Amazon, which is a peacock inspired kada. Okay, we have bubble wrap for this one. I just removed it quickly. The same wrapping, but so satisfying. Wow! Directly I can see a peacock. Wow, this is so awesome bangle. Okay, I'm gonna wear it now. You have the same extending one. Okay, I'm gonna wear it, and then you can see I'm just going to fit it through here. See, isn't it nice? See, isn't it nice, friends? Doesn't it look nice? This is how it looks on me. Really like it. Here is an image on how it looks with me. Like that. And yeah, moving on to the next thing. And after this peacock kada, I have one more thing to show you. So this is the last but not the least one. That is a necklace. You can see So why should we look from this angle when we can really open it and check? Duh. Common sense. Okay. Once we are done with this box, so I really love this box because I can store my bangles and kada, etc. So yes, I can even store this in there. I really love them so much. So to open it, we have to just open behind. Inside here, you get a nice kind of like showcase piece over here. Oy. And it's really flexible also. So this is a ruby pink color necklace, and friends, now I'm sure that I will win the queen of YouTubers. Yes, I definitely believe that I'll become a big YouTuber with this queen necklace with rubies, which is a ruby studded necklace. Okay, that was too much. Anyways, it's a 1 gram gold necklace. So yeah, once again, question: why should we look it from here when I can wear it? Okay, so behind you have a hook. You just need to remove the hook, and then this necklace comes off the showpiece. Okay, now you can see this. I'm putting it on. So this is a 1 gram gold fashion necklace. It makes me look beautiful. And yeah, there are pink stones for this. Really beautiful reddish pink stones over here with a 1 gram gold. I can't believe it's really with 1 gram gold, even though that's so less. But I really love this necklace. It's kind of a choker, but nice, very nice. So yes, and this also goes with a very traditional look, like a traditional look. I can even wear these bangles with them. See? So yeah, these two items for beauty under the category of beauty really go together with traditional dresses. So yes, I'll definitely wear these for any traditional occasion. Oh, and my necklace. So yes, these are all the things I bought from Amazon. I hope you like them all. Well, I love them so much, is why I just wanted to share with you how nice it is unboxing it and what are the set of contents, etc, etc. So yeah, I hope you liked today's video, and yeah, links are in the description box below. So yes, do follow us on Instagram and Facebook too. So yes, guys, it's me, Manu, signing off with a thank you for watching. It's me, Manu, signing off.